Nikumirite kurega kung'anirwa gatigati ka biashara ba Miraa nyuma ya Miraa kurega kugwetwa kiri witikaniria buria burikithitwe gatigati ga Kenya na Somalia ntuku ya narua kiri rwaria ruria rutongeretwe ni Rigathi Gachagua na minista munene thirikari ya Somalia Hamza Abdi Bare ni mantu jegie makuyu na ukaria akebiariritwe biara nande bikiorota mubarothi wa Kenya nthigurune iu ya Somalia KUBAI KIRINGO akirikana ateka gikaro na AGWATI MBARU kiri biashara ya Miraa kenda kumenya ina thina yongwa iri.
Prime Minister wa Somalia Hamza Abdi Bare no alale mugeni wa gitio wa munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua kwa Karen amuja Nairobi. Hamza Bare alandamanite na mawaziri kadhomba bandini ya Somalia ile wao ikalia ukamati kithomo na ulwa maonto manja na kiri kugwatogeni Prime Minister wa Somalia munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua na walandamanite na mawaziri kenda ile mwana waziri wa uremi methekale ntore bakele nyuma ya musemani yoje tongere babane banyirito bataru bangwataniro mbega gatigati kande ya Kenya na ile ya Somalia amono gubatalire madina mayingi mara makunyire dokya Miraa gatigati ga Kenya na Somalia.
It has been an important platform to promote cooperation on a range of important issues for both our nations.
The relationship between our countries is rooted in a shared history, culture, and vision for a peaceful and prosperous region. As neighboring nations, Kenya and Somalia share common challenges and opportunities that require close collaboration and cooperation.
Kile walanile kumaki musemani jogwe tukere mutongero wa mawaziri Musalia Mudavadi nde ya Kenya na ile ya Somalia nijitikanilite kukili biashara ya makuyu kulaidhiria madhina mawekalia hamwe na kuebia bikwazo bila bikuingira biashara gatigati kandi ino jere musemani ojo hithoteli de kithiro meanki ya Kenya na Somalia karugulwa ila ni thina nene heo ndibwa Miraa na into bingi ndi ya Somalia.
Recognizing the great opportunities in trade, Kenya and Somalia resolved to further work towards removing barriers to facilitate the movement of people and goods, promote investment, and open up new markets of mutual interest to achieve greater and sustainable participation in trade for both states. They also agreed to foster and enhance the trade of fish and fish products between Somalia and Kenya. This is aimed at achieving mutual economic benefits and strengthening cooperation in the blue economy. On security, the two leaders commended the ongoing collaboration and committed to fight against terrorism and other transnational crimes.
Kulinga na kanyoni mtu madina mamira thokoni ya Somalia ni matengetwe kiremo yu ile jidiri tukiandikanirwa KIRIngwataniro biashara na urutingo bwa Kenya na Somalia biara leo bikironta gambazi do Kenya ndia Somalia KUBAI KIRINGO nonto ba kulega kwalania na biashara ba Miraa elo madina kiritho kweno kumamo jimuneno Nairobi Beta Anthony rangi wa Kathenya.